Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. If you're new here, thank you for popping in. At the end of this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you're returning, these are some of the DTF transfers that I showed you yesterday. I've decided to make mantle pillows with them, and these pillows go on the fireplace. On the top, not the bottom, but they go up on the mantle. And they're nice, beautiful decorative pieces that I'll be adding to some baskets. As you can see, these transfers turned out beautifully. And I really like the way that these turned out. So I'll be making a few of these concepts to go in my vendor's booth. I used my Easy Press tabletop heater to press these with. And I really like the way that these turned out. That's the Merry and Bright, and the other one says Joy. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.